What is up, realists? Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Today we're back in the creek. Who knew? But we're going to start off with the hellgrammite that we ended off with yesterday. See if we can find anything here. Went to a different creek. We've been to this one before. This is where all the spotted bass are. So we're going to try to see if we can't find any today. I said we'll start off with the hellgrammite, move over to who knows what else. I'll probably switch over to the topwater when we get to that long stretch, see if we can't get any good topwater hits. But let's hold on tight. Let's go get on the reel. Let's go try to catch some fish. Okay, got one of them. Wasn't the one I was going for. There were some bass down there, but finally got one of them. Got a little green sunfish, looks like. There we go, a little bitty green sunfish finally came up to it. All right, let's go to our deeper pool over here. There we go. What do we get? Something finally took it in there. All the way around the back side. Another nice green sunfish. Having to be very, very sneaky with these guys today. Oh, there's a bass in there too. This thing came out of the rock and just snagged it. That was pretty cool to watch. I wasn't sure if he still had it or not, but yeah, another real hungry green sunfish. There we go. Got another something. Green sunfish. Green sunfish. Yes. They are on it. They are hyped up today. These green sunfish are just taking care of business. Taking care of business. Another nice one. There we go. Another little green sunfish. Green sunfish are on fire for this hellgrammite. A little bitty guy. There we go. What do we got over there? A little green or long ear there. A long ear over there by that tree. All right, switch over to some top water. If I can get back out here, see if we can find anybody. All right, we got our third bait on for the day. Little rebel minnow here. So I think the top water was a little too big for stuff, so we're gonna even move. I see a fish sitting here, so. Yep, already. It's not big. It's not big, but it's a fish. Either had to be something sitting here, that's why I switched up. Sweet. First cast. Switched it up. Little sunfish here. Little long ear sunfish. Very cool. I did get something. Just barely. These little bitty guys really like this little minnow. Another long ear sunfish. Not big, but still came up and hit it. Now I gotta start turning around. There we go. I just leave it floating up there a little bit. These little guys come and get it. Look at there. Another one. Oh, he's gonna be fun to get unhooked. There we go, not too bad. There you go, little bitty guy. Just came up and thwacked it as it hit the top water. All right, we need to start heading back. There we go. Another little guy feels like. Yeah, another long ear. This one's pretty though. All right. Nice bright one here. There we go. There we go. Finally, after all this time, he came up and looked at it and got it. Let's grab him. Looked at it. I don't even think he like meant to get it, but there we go. Got our first little spotted bass out of this little hole here. They're supposed to be stacked up in here, but goodness gracious, it took forever to finally figure out something they wanted to eat. We are running out of time. I'm gonna try to go up in these little pockets here again and see if I can't get anybody out of those. So we caught one spot. I'm switching over to this lure, but still like to catch a few more. Oh, there we go. I'm about to say they're up here chasing. They're up here chasing. Just saw a couple of them chasing after minnows, so should have been just right. All right, y'all. There is this little guy. Send him on his way. There we go. What do we get? Came up and smacked it off that leaf. Looks like another spot. Just had to get back up here to the top of the water pool. Ow! Doggone, you're strong. Get back up here to the top and catch us another little spot. I love how bright their bellies are. They're such pretty fish. Wow, they're all right here. I wonder if I can get one of these ones in front of me by casting it that way. Got well, something. Green sunfish. Came all the way out of that pool and got it. Right in front of me. I probably got There's this guy here. Right in front of me, I've probably got 7 or 8 spots. All right, realists, that's going to end it up. Hopefully the audio is not too garbled for me doing the underwater clip. It's pretty sweet though. We ended up finding that little pool of spotted bass right as we were getting ready to leave. So we got that Rebel minnow on here. So it caught a good bit. It caught a couple. I was struggling the whole time, but we were leaving, finally found them. So how fishing does to you sometimes. So we got to get going, head to work. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. And hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.